Alright guys, so today we're going to install the Overland Vehicle Systems shower awning for the Jeep JK. So you can see here we have all of our tools and all the parts that came with the shower awning setup. The awning comes with 4 heavy-duty tent pole stakes, heavy-duty L brackets with hardware that connects into a C-channel. To get the brackets on the channel, we just have to undo this Velcro piece and slide them in. Next we have some blue Loctite that I got from the hardware store just for the rings on the goby rack that we're going to attach the awning to. It comes with these rubber pads so you don't scratch the surface of your roof rack, but for our purposes we never use them. And this is just extra hardware from the nylite bar clamps that we use to secure the shower awning to the goby rack. This is not included. To secure the shower awning, all you'll need is a 10mm wrench and a 10mm socket. Now, these are the nylite bar clamps that we found on Amazon. They were just the cheapest option for us, as goby rack, some of their modifications and their accessories are very expensive and we just weren't willing to pay for that. After test fitting the clamps, I just went back and put some blue Loctite on all the bolts just to make sure that they stayed secure. The next step was to install the awning onto the rack and then tightening down the L brackets. The mounting holes on the nylite bar clamps were a little larger than expected, so all we did was we went to the hardware store and got some large washers just to put underneath the nut so that it's secured properly. Then we used some heavy duty zip ties to secure it down to the grate of the roof rack. Now that it's all installed, we are going to open it up and check it out. Now to get the awning out, as you can see it's all rolled up. All you have to do is undo these large Velcro straps and slowly roll the awning out. Now that the awning is rolled out, all you have to do to set it up is to extend these large aluminum arms and then push in the brackets to secure it in place. Depending on your preference or your height, you can adjust the awning on how far up and down it goes. It's got one large main entrance zipper. Then once inside, you have basically a shower caddy where you can put your soaps and your shampoos or whatever you need. Inside the housing, there is a Velcro strap that will allow you to hang a shower bag or the shower head of an external shower device. Inside the tent, there is 2 zippers that open a flap, which allows you to access any kind of storage system you have installed on your rig. They also include these metal rods which provide structure and help weigh down the tent. This is particularly good when there's wind. Now, to put the shower awning away, you just follow the same steps as before but in reverse order. One thing I found very helpful is to make sure that your securement straps are out of the way so that when you do roll up your awning, it doesn't get stuck inside with everything else. It's quite hard to see, but the actual awning housing has D-loops in it that you can feed the strap through, and then you can bring it back and secure it straight down. Once your awning is rolled up and strapped in, all you have to do is push in the excess straps and zip the bag up. The shower awning and the clamps were both purchased off Amazon. They are fairly priced, and as you can see, easy to install. If you enjoyed this install video, please like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, thank you and Happy New Year.